What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to my channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 3, and today's topic will be how to draw. This topic will be how to draw Indian flag using OpenCV5. So, in this tutorial, we'll be going to learn how to draw an image using OpenCV. Okay, so when I'm say OpenCV5, definitely I'll be going to use some other supported library, and I believe only one supported library will be used, that is NumPy array. Okay, so this is going to be a very interesting tutorial, and this is the first tutorial on YouTube where someone is actually going to draw an Indian flag using OpenCV5. You will find multiple examples of drawing Indian flag using turtle library. So in that thing, they are using right turtle, down, up, something like that. But here we are purely going to play with the pixel. Okay, the pixel values. Okay, so this is more or less going to be a NumPy and a mixture of NumPy, OpenCV, and some sort of complex image processing thing. Okay, and you can use this tutorial as a reference, and after that you can draw anything. Okay, so that is the building blocks of image generation, whatever the large language models are using. For example, in the OpenAI, on the chat GPT, if you see the DALL-E 3, or there are some other AI there. For example, Flux AI, maybe Leonardo AI, then Luma Labs. They are basically playing with the pixels. Okay, so here I'm just going to give you an example how you can extend this tutorial, and you can apply your own thought to develop something. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me just show you the tutorial source code will be available here. Okay, so let me minimize this thing and let's start working with it. So first thing first, from NumPy, not NumPy, import CV2 and import NumPy NP. Okay, so just pay attention actually, very attentively, so that you should not skip anything. Okay, so let's start working on this thing. Okay, first thing first, we'll be going to define the dimension of the image. Okay, I mean, in the Indian flag, basically we have 3 stripes. First one is actually saffron, second one is white, and the next one is actually green. So I'll be just going to define the height and width. So let's create height, then okay, this is going to be, mean the height it is going to be 300, and the width wise it will be 450. Okay, so next thing what we'll do, we'll be going to divide that this thing divided by 3. So stripe height, so maybe I can just write stripe height is going to be height, okay, 3. Okay, the whole number I just want to. Okay, so now we'll be going to create an NumPy array. So first, basically, we'll be just going to create a NumPy array structure, blank array, so that we can actually put the colors. Okay, so we'll just name that as a flag. Okay, and it is going to be dot zeros. Okay, okay, and then we'll be just going to do something, let's say like this. Okay, so height comma width, just because it's a BGR image, so it will be channel. Okay, dimensional. Okay, then the data type will be p u, yeah, right, done. Okay, now we'll be going to set the color. Okay, the top color of the image, I mean the top is actually saffron. Okay, so basically it should be flag. Okay, and then it will start from the beginning, and ultimately it will go to height. First height, stripe height. Okay, stripe height, I mean it will start from 0 up to stripe height, the first stripe, And what will be the color? Basically, the saffron representation of the BGR will be 0, 140, and 255. Okay, so this thing I got it from the Google, so that is why I'm doing it. Okay, so this is done, right? So just to make sure whether this is working correctly, what we'll do, we'll be just going to write cv2 dot imshow. Okay, okay, so there I'm just going to write Indian flag. Okay, okay, so inside that I'll be just going to put the flag. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just write while, means I just want to keep it for undefined infinite time. Okay, infinite time, cb2 dot wait key, okay, equals to 1. Okay, so basically if user press uh, 2, then probably I actually switch it off. Okay, so like 0, then x, then f equals to, then like, so if you put q, then this q, then it will be uh, stopped. Okay, then it will be break, right? It will be break from here, and then we will do what? We're just going to do cb2 dot destroy all window, right? Destroy all windows. Done. So let's check whether the first thing is actually coming with saffron or not. What is this? Basically nothing is coming. Let's see why nothing is coming. There are zeros, height, weight. Everything is fine. Okay. Height, weight, the type. No problem at all. Flag is type at 0. This everything is fine up to this part. Okay, that's it. While true cv2 dot wait key 1 and 0 colon ff. I don't know why this is not coming. Let me execute one more time. Yeah, if you see, the saffron color comes. Now I want to make it white and then green. Okay, so here it will be, let's do, it will be start from stripe height into double of stripe height, uh, 2 into stripe height, I believe, right? Means one stripe height to next stripe height will be, I think that will be the uh, white color, right? So it will be 55 to 55 to 55, like white, everything is white. Okay, white is actually 255. Okay, so what we'll do, let's queue and let's execute again. Queue means it will stop. Yeah, now I need a green color here, right? So green is actually the, let me tell you, it should be flag. Okay, so 2 into stripe height to end. Okay, and it should be green means what? BGR, 0 to 55 0, right? GR 0 to 55 0, right? Let's again execute Q and let's run this thing again. Okay, sorry, it should be 2 into, I did a mistake. 2 into stripe height, like, okay. Okay, okay, let's execute. The problem is actually the terminal, there is nothing else. Yeah, my structure is ready, saffron, white, green, right? So if you see here, I'm just playing with the numpy array and the pixel, okay, right? So now next thing we have to actually draw the Ashok Chakra, okay? So for that, let's create something called uh, center Y, okay? So I'm just thinking from where actually we'll be going to start. So it will be stripe height plus stripe height by 2, okay? Exactly here. I mean, this is actually the stripe height and plus stripe height by 2, okay? So it should be stripe height, okay, plus stripe height divided by 2, right? And it's width by 2, okay? So these things are actually just a simple mathematics, okay? Nothing else. So width, mhm. Now we got our x and y coordinate to run. Now we need a radius. Radius is actually stripe height divided by 4, okay? uh, Radius, approximate radius, okay, it will be stripe height by 4, okay, done. And chakra color is blue. If you remember, it's a navy blue color. So chakra color, chakra color will be 128,0,0. This is going to uh, this is actually representing this thing, navy blue color, okay? So now what will be just going to draw a circle, cb2 dot circle. So okay, so this is going to create a circle, okay? Where I want to draw the circle, the flag here, right? And what will be the y coordinates, right? So we have to put it, it will be center x, center y, okay? Then you have to put the radius and the color and the thickness. So radius, then color, right? Thickness, okay? Thickness, let's make it 2, okay? Everything is done. Let's execute, okay? Okay, I need to again start from the beginning. Yeah, if you see here, I got everything nicely. So in my Ashok Chakra in Indian flag, we have number of spokes like 24. There are some spokes there, right? So that also we need to do it, right? So let's do it, and for that we probably going to do some angle calculation, and for that I will require import math. Okay, so let's see. We just write here number of spokes equals to 24. Okay, and then what we'll do for I in range. Okay, so number of spokes. Okay, and what will happen now? we're going to calculate the angle. Angle equals to I into something like 60, okay, divided by number of spokes, each angle of the spokes. Okay, so this is going to give me the each angle. Okay, so now what we'll do, x and y, and here I'll be just going to write y and. Okay, so now this is going to be calculate. So first of all, it is going to be integer. Okay, so center, okay, plus chapter radius. That is the calculation, pure mathematical calculation. Okay, if you want to understand. So basically, this is actually going to tell you from here we'll be going to draw an this thing, that angle. Okay. So if you remember, while doing this thing, just hold on. Let me explain you something. Okay. Just hold on. Yeah. So spoke calculation is actually each spoke is actually drawn by calculating its endpoint using trigonometric functions sine and cos based on the 15-degree increment. Okay. Why 15-degree increment? Because this is going to give you the 15-degree. Okay. Right. Circle thickness is actually 2, and we'll be going to keep the spoke line thing is actually 1. Okay. So now let's do this thing, integer. Okay. No, first I have to do it here. Okay. Into math dot. Okay. Now math dot radians angle. Okay. Same thing I'll be going to do it here, but this time it is going to be math dot sine, right? So let's copy this thing here. Okay, so it will be y. Okay, and it will be sine. Okay, sine and cos done. Now we'll be going to draw the line now. CB2 dot sine. Okay, so flag x and y end. Okay, like this. Then center x, center y. Okay, exactly where actually we put this thing, we'll be going to put everything. Okay, and there two ends. We'll start from here, and it is going to be end where x end. It is the start point, and this is end point. Okay, okay. This starts from center x, center y, ends at here. Okay, then same chakra color, right? Chakra color, and thickness will be 1 because it is 2, right? Done. I think this is completed. Okay. Okay. Just hold on. Mm, okay. It's ready. Let's do this thing now. Let's draw. Everything is ready here. Okay. Okay. Point 1, point 2, thickness, line type. Okay, so if you see, this is actually the image. This is the point 1, this is point 2. Okay, let's do it. Okay, oh my god, this is amazing, guys. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, if you see here, we just We just created an amazing like Indian flag using OpenCV5, and here you will understand everything is actually in a higher level. Everything is, or sorry, in the low level or in the detail. If you want to actually know the detail algorithm, then probably you have to know a little bit of mathematics, and you have to actually know how to calculate this thing using pixel. Now if you now you know everything right around the pixel and thing, you can now draw anything. So as an homework, I would like to give you guys a task where I don't know from which country you guys are watching this video. Try to actually do it for your own national country flag, okay, or your own country flag, anything, okay. So that is the task. You can take it, but these things are very easy. Now the question is why I'm doing this thing here. Okay, so our objective is to learn deep learning, and our objective is to learn computer vision or image processing in detail, end to end. So for that, you have to know the pixel calculation, pixel mathematics, a little bit of trigonometry, and also very good in NumPy array calculation. Right. For example, here we are doing slicing of NumPy array. Here we are playing around slicing and indexing, right? So if you are not good at this thing, it will be very difficult for you to understand. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for today. But before I conclude, I would like to request a couple of things. So if you're watching this video for the first time, and if you're watching this playlist for the first time, thank you very much for watching this thing. But I have a request, guys. Please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friend, and also hit the bell notification icon. And last but not least, if you like the video and if you want to share the videos with the bigger community, please try to put some comment in the video, good or bad, doesn't matter. Please put some honest feedback so that other people will find this video helpful, and YouTube algorithm also going to push this video uh, for higher reach. And I would love to reach large number of audience. That is my ultimate objective. Please help me, guys, to grow. I need your help and support to grow. So that is the only ask and request. Okay, and as always, I'll always going to come back with nice and quality content. Just stay tuned and keep supporting us. Okay, so enough of talking. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day and happy learning. Thank you very much.